How to sell crypto on Ledger Nano X. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Ledger Nano X. Now, Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet designed for storing and securing cryptocurrencies. However, it does not allow direct selling or trading within the device itself. To sell crypto stored on the Ledger Nano X, you'll need to use your cryptocurrency exchange or trading platforms. Here's how you can do it. Now, first of all, you need to connect Ledger Nano X to a computer. You can connect it using a USB cable or a Bluetooth connection whatsoever. Now you need to launch the Ledger Live application and enter the PIN on the Ledger Nano X when prompted. Then in the Ledger Live, navigate to the cryptocurrency account you want to sell. This account will display the balance of your cryptocurrency stored on your Ledger Nano X. Now, to sell the cryptocurrency, you'll need to transfer it to the cryptocurrency exchange that supports the specific currencies you want to sell. Now choose a reputable exchange and follow the instructions for depositing funds as well. Once the funds are deposited on the exchange, navigate to the trading sections on the platform. Create a sell order by specifying the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, the price, and other relevant details as well. Then you'll have to confirm the order on the exchange. Then this exchange will execute the order based on the market as well. Now be cautious when connecting your Ledger Nano X to a computer and ensuring that you're using genuine and secure software. Always follow the security best practice as well. So that is how you can sell crypto on Ledger Nano X. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.